Rip up.
It will not freak out because I'm in the lobby, right?
I don't know, bro.
No, I don't think so.
Gonna play fucking Minesweeper while we load in, bro. Hold on.
What the fuck?
On the phone. Come on, commentator. What are your thoughts on the map?
In the map, I
It's
fucking love this map, bro. What do you
Bro,
mean?
he's playing Minesweeper.
it's
Yo,
Where is
cool
the
awakenings, by the way. I
explosive.
can...
Wait, we don't see the awakenings, GG.
Yeah, GG. We can see them later, I guess. If I
Yeah.
don't have the dementia mod.
I don't have the dimension map. Or you do.
No, I think I don't. I don't remember.
Can we have Subway Surfers someone play?
It's gonna be on my PC 2.0.
No, I'm not gonna do that. Okay, let's see. Bruh.
It's Titans.
Okay,
Among
good.
Titans.
One big Kazan and everyone else. Let's see how this turns out, bruh. Like, with Era, it's probably a good matchup because she can buff him. But like, Silver just wants to play forward. What the fuck was this, bro? Like,
Look a bit more down. Look a bit more down.
Yeah.
my bad, bro.
Too much down.
No, too much.
This good? This good? Yo, nice kill, by the way.
Yo. The pointing.
Such imagine.
Okay, one must imagine this is actually good, bro.
One must imagine.
I have no words for that one. I have many words for that one though. Like this is pure bullshit. How is he dying, bro? Nothing hit him. How did he die?
The fucking hands. I love it.
Again, bro, are they retarded? Is is
They're just
is this the
striking
autism
through.
team? Why are they
Yo.
fighting the rune orb?
This is a recording
Can you-
though, right? So you gotta stay rebooted.
Can you show me where the core is?
It's right there.
It's in
Oh,
the goal,
nice.
don't you
Let's
see,
go!
bro? They outplayed Zykos, they outplayed Dubu, they outplayed who the fuck is Gestalt? Probably Vodka.
Isn't Gerstach
Me not know. These fuckers are name hiding. I do not know who that is. So
don't they
like,
make kitchen knives?
who?
Damn.
I think you're
Uh,
right.
Decent portal play.
Yeah, the
This
Dubu
them?
is soul.
Yo, do you also see the portals? I do not, apparently. Yo, it's here. Who'd have thought? Maybe if they actually use them,
Like that.
they would lose a barrier. GG. Absolute cinema. They forgot to take the second barrier. My bad. But can you guys kill Kai? No? He's pretty lit.
What a
Okay, just take the
non-biased
barrier.
commentary.
It's totally non-biased. They will score to Dubu
Mm.
in 10 seconds. Watch this.
1, 2, 3.
Told
Oh
ya.
my god.
that was
I
early.
see the future. I don't need this shit.
Is this live or is this a recorded game?
This is slavery.
Both.
Why can I choose Awakenings?
Pick
Okay,
pick something. Pick something.
Anyway, I want Castulest. I will probably get it. But
Yeah, you're a
let's see what
caster,
they
so
choose.
you can
Staggers Fucker
cast
for Kai.
longer.
Pretty nice choice. Probably Might of the Colossus for Asher.
Pick the
Fucking
orbs.
moron.
Get
Let's
orbs.
see what this guy takes. Castulest. Counter area. Good. Heavy impact. Aerials, you fucking idiots.
Why did you
What
take
the
heavy
fuck is
impact?
happening? What the fuck is happening?
Nobody took heavy impact. What the fuck?
This lobby is actually retarded. First of all, Asher doesn't take this big ass thing. And Kazan gets it. Now they just have a big fucking Kazan. Yeah, GG. How can play? The broken character got more broken.
This is literally a fever dream.
Good on barrier. This is mind controlled by Zykos.
His passive goes
Sure,
crazy.
surely he gets the core out. Let's see. Blue team. I trust.
Damn.
They took it. Good.
Asher died.
Now he's gonna lose to Zykos. My bad. My
My
bad.
bad.
He lost to R.
Never underestimate the power of Kazan, bro.
Yeah,
Damn, the
Artyom
after
needs to be
just go
buffed.
crazy.
Just a little side eye to that Dubu, bro. How is he losing this shit? Anyway, getting forward. Ron plays 2 pillars to defend for Dubu because he does not believe that shit will work. Almost dies to fucking Herald. Good portal usage from blue team. It was the red team who struck the core, by the way. Again, good portal usage from blue team. They still cannot win Dubu.
Insane reactions.
True.
And the least broken double
Ah.
ult.
How the fuck did you die?
I think Eutos has to strive for this kind of quality in their commentating.
Bro, this is totally
Maturity
unbiased.
peak.
Bruh.
Oh, lost a strike war. Oh my god.
Are they
You lost a striker to his shadow, bro. I don't know what happened. How are you losing this barrier? He didn't throw anything except his strike. And he threw first. So like, yeah. Good reaction times. Dubu got outplayed.
Kazan
Too
is
bad.
dead.
overtime
is just
Kazan
better.
goes crazy.
I think I know the strat. You give Skane Kazan, and then you play the game, and it probably wins you the game. Just the presence of Kazan. Holy shit, that banish was massive.
But he did
But
fuck
like,
all,
yeah,
right?
yeah, you just don't do shit about it. They're like, banish was massive. You did nothing.
Actually, a 4v2.
I would alt F4 after that banish, bro. If nothing happened, I would just legit alt F4. No bias, by the way.
No.
Finally, you take the barrier.
Bias, yeah, surely.
And a good pass. Holy shit. This little guy, the rune player, could have scored if he threw that shit down. But he instead opted for pass.
Damn.
Good midfield.
He's
Not
ego
bad.
advised.
Just good.
No way midfield doing his job.
Holy shit.
Big
Holy shit, the
Let's
banish.
go!
Holy
Big banish.
Now,
Let's go!
did it throw off? Yes, it did.
Fucking huge!
That was actually massive. You know what else is massive? That low taper fade.
Dear lord, shut the fuck up.
You should have just looked down in silence instead of doing the low taper fade meme. Like,
That's a good idea. I will remember that.
No way, Gerstach is out.
Why did he flip? Why is that working? What the fuck is this lobby?
Damn.
Is this gold?
Damn.
Not
One
by
way
yet.
is at burst.
I mean, they're staying
no.
on offense.
Oh no.
Big oopsie from Era.
Oh no. Big oopsie. We're getting fucked. blue team
Wasted
will-
bursts.
I mean,
Do we see
he
the
was
Kai
probably
special?
stressed. He was probably
Oh, yeah.
stressed.
Even a
Damn.
double goal can't defend
Do,
this.
do we see? Do we see the win?
Do we see a
Who the fuck is calling me? I'm not answering this.
face
My bad,
call
I do.
in stream right now?
No way.
I mean, Era could portal shot it in, like, if he gets a chance, unless he bursted for
Yeah,
you.
that's. Yes.
Nice.
Thank you for pot.
Can you stream the game like a fucking human, please?
Why? What?
No.
He's doing it.
What do you
He's
mean?
literally doing
It's the
it
best stream
as
ever.
a human. What do you mean?
This is literally human.
This is the
POV.
most human it can get.
It's human
Yeah.
streaming. It has breathing. It has shake.
Bro, can you pass me the AirPods, please?
The AirPods.
Yeah, there are AirPods right here.
Yeah. What is that on the left? That orange.
You
Can
don't
I
have a
have your
watch.
monitor?
You don't have a watch? Skere talen voor skere mensen.
He is sniffing that too.
Yo, that was a
how
big
did they
barrier
die?
break from Era though.
How
I'm
did they
gonna
die?
fucking lose this. Why is this working? This should
Don't
never
worry,
work.
don't worry. Red team is on the offensive now.
I see. I started talking on my phone. You should have never spoken, bro. He he almost got scored. Like, I started talking. The blue team started losing. And now I see what? Now I see them winning, apparently. Now they're gonna score. Yeah, GG.
Nice.
How many? 2 stacks of prize fighter. How the fuck is this real? How are you killing them, bro? This should never happen.
Wait, who has the prize fighter sticks?
Rune! Yes! Rune!
Yeah.
Of all the fucking things in this lobby, Rune took prize fighter.
I mean,
It's
why
meta.
not?
I mean, why yes, bro? Like, it's such a dogshit character for Chaos.
Explain it to us, Rune pro
Rune is just
player.
that much better if you play for core control. And maybe defense sometimes, but like not for Chaos.
Mm.
Oh, bruh.
What was the pass? Was
Oh no. Scan is just too impatient
What
to
was
win a
that
strike war.
teleport?
Wow.
What was that?
What did
That wa-
anyone see that Era primary?
That was
No,
not
I
an era
didn't.
primary. That was
No,
that
no,
was
no,
a
no. You
rune
just
pillar.
did it like I don't know where.
That was a rune pillar.
Zyka's actually throwing on life.
Zaikov's man controlling himself.
Damn.
Holy shit. A good Asher dash. Sorry. Shut the fuck up.
Shut the hell up, man.
You will not defend that. He has fucking burst, bruh. You will not defend that. No way. Why is he trying to kill his teammate? What the fuck is this pillar?
What?
Uh,
I don't
What are you
understand
doing,
this game.
Zaikov?
I
Why
think
did that work?
I think prize fighter is working.
Yes, it's working, but it shouldn't. They just do not evade the banish. It flies at them at the speed of like 2 fucking rampas.
But he was on them.
Too bad. Didn't react. Oh no.
What
Oh,
was that bounce? Or
Fortnite.
did he pull? Oh no, rune
Big-
barrier.
big
Okay,
whoops.
never mind.
Yeah, the rune pillar.
Rune
No
pillar.
way.
Rune pillar saved the day. Rune is a great character.
I can smell spaghetti.
You wanna see a cool thing? Hold
Yes.
on, bro.
Not biased.
What?
What?
Dude, oh my god.
Foreign flashbang.
I actually thought your camera broke right there.
We're getting mind control.
Yo, and they scored. The red team is pulling off a
How
comeback.
the fuck did you
of
score?
bro.
Points
No
at
way.
your
The
goal
fucking
message,
finals.
just to be sure.
Actually, a good run.
You can zoom in.
No, just Linden.
No.
I mean, yeah, he can just slide his face across the monitor.
Give a little smooch.
Sniff them.
No.
Mm. Damn, a lot of size items. Yes, increased speeds, I see.
I'm not gonna say anything about this decision.
About the build difference?
About fucking Timeless Creator on Kai.
Oh, you did not zoom into that one.
Oh, my bad. I thought I did.
No, you zoomed into fucking Kazan with build different.
Yeah.
and then,
I mean,
and then
it's
said,
still a good
what
point,
is this?
still
Like, damn, fucked up.
Bro's camera is dying.
Yeah, it's kinda leaning. How did he lose? We could not see it, by the way.
Yeah, my bad. He just
No, it's
dribbled.
fine, it's fine, but like, we
He
could not
dribbled
see it.
inside his own goal. Yeah.
Oh.
Like,
Like
hold
I
on.
just said we did not see it just so you could call it to us.
Reposition.
Reposition, GG.
Ja? Oké.
Finally, good finish.
Oké. Ja, ik doe dat zoiets. Wow,
Huh?
cool, dit even nog even kijken.
Alright.
Put the camera down, please. Okay, perfect.
This is actually perfect. This is like as perfect as you can get. Okay, well,
The live league stream, bro.
live looks. I mean, you never know what's gonna happen.
Live in real life.
Life could be dream. Life could be dream.
Who knows? Maybe Trademark will
Okay, but
will
like-
throw a nuke right now on
Who
you.
is this era?
It's
That's
Thunder
Geo.
Geo.
Yeah,
Geo, yeah.
okay.
Not flaming that one, yeah?
Yeah, no. It makes sense now.
Makes sense now, yeah. Indirect flaming, GG.
Nah. We stay biased.
We stay biased. Who is they biased?
Wait, no, non-biased.
Really biased,
Fuck
right?
it. We stay biased.
We stay biased.
Biased we stay.
Yes, shake your fist at them.
Yeah, we need a physical representation for any deaf people gonna watch this VOD.
Can you do sign language?
That's the only sign language he knows, and that's screaming.
Lower the camera. We cannot see shit.
We can see only half of the gameplay.
Yeah, it's like 1/4 of the screen. I mean now it's. Oh,
Let me defend.
did he actually say let me defend?
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's
perfect.
almost perfect.
Almost perfect, good. What is it?
It's now 50% perfect.
Yeah, there's a move in my head that
Oh, Geo going for it? Oh my god.
almost done.
Oh.
Oh no.
Actually,
biased.
warning KO.
Bro,
nice flip,
he's
nice
right,
flip.
he's right.
What is happening?
Which was better? That was not a part of
This
the
is
script.
Vomit's
nice,
gameplay,
good
bro.
You can get motion sick.
He's just following the core with the camera.
This shit is so ass, I'm about to shit myself. Like. Oh my god.
He's chasing core.
It's like
Geo
you're watching
keeping up with
tennis.
that score?
Yo.
Oh my god. No one is letting loose? That's crazy.
Oh, Kazan!
This is the most dynamic camera
Oh my
ever.
god, it's match point, guys.
Yeah, the dynamic
Bro,
camera.
you should hit your desk, to be honest.
Yeah, and scream
not doing
Bliet in 60 decibels.
man.
Oh, nice KO.
Yeah, they killed Rune again.
Again, and they're not doing anything with
Bro,
it.
imagine if blue team wins now, bro.
Oh, imagine dying to the
My bad.
blue.
My bad, bro.
Скамьет нахуй,
Oh,
скамьет нахуй, нахуй.
Oh.
Oh.
Ho
Damn, bro.
No.
Oh. Rune with the bad.
Oh.
Nice.
Wait, who is the Dubu?
So much
It's
pressure.
so,
Bro, it's Dubu, you don't see
it's
this?
Soul?
yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, he got gapped. He got gapped.
Yo, bro, he's giving that win animation.
Fuck the emote on them.
Did this game die?
No, the game.
My
I mean,
game,
it probably
no.
died, but it was the end of it. So
Oh, my
No
game did not
way.
die. I just did this,
Enemy
bro.
victory. You just lost.
We cannot see the stats of both teams.
Why would I need the stats? Bro, this camera is so ass. Holy shit. Man. Why didn't you show me?
he just noticed. You should love
Yeah, I
your
just
shit.
noticed I have one monitor. You see this? You see anything else? I don't, bro. Only
Mm,
this, maybe, bro.
I
That's
noticed it. I
fundamental.
noticed it.
I noticed a lot of Discord servers.
Okay,
Oh, he's making it! Oh my god!
that was the finals?
We're
yeah,
saying
bro?
it live. Oh, it's best,
won?
Was it
best
the
of three.
final?
That was the final, I think. Who won, bro?
Yeah, it's a best of three.
Isn't it best of 3?
Oh, it's best of 3. Oh, I think I left the
Okay,
lobby.
well,
Oh,
I'm gonna
never
grab
mind.
my spaghetti then. I'm just gonna let it
Game
keep recording.
Who would win? Yo, is this Stars by wannabe? Is this Asher Goli? Clueless.
A lot of people are doing it nowadays.
Yeah, it's fine.
I mean, Asher was meta at one point.
True. Asher's still pretty good though. It's, people just forgot how to
You can-
play her, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Vice goalie.
Wise goalie. Nothing changed here, I think. I mean, yeah, everything
Kazan got
changed
yeah,
replaced by
Chimera,
Juliet.
but like, yeah, I do not care, bruh.
Oh, it's Amy's.
The teams are the
Then you're saying
same, the map is different,
The same comp.
characters are probably also different. How the
Oh.
fuck did you find that?
He just TP'd into Vice secondary.
TP's in the Wise secondary dies immediately, bruh. I don't know. Dog shit player.
Who was it?
That's the silver, bro.
Oh, it's Silver.
Yeah, I won a 1v1 against him in CS. I can flame him all day long, bro. I have the
Yeah.
right to brag.
Valid.
Yeah, strike first against Asher, bro. Surely you would win. Yeah, the barrier is down. Red team is probably taking that set. Just
No
saying.
way.
Just
Vice
saying.
Vice
Subject
actually
to
has
following.
control.
The fuck are you kidding, my bro?
Huh?
What?
That was
What
Crazy
was that
defense.
clear?
That was the skin clear, I guess.
not clear. That was dirty.
The special one.
Can I throw in this shit, bro? Yo, the
Only
defense was
the
actually good.
thumbs up.
The second I stop looking, they defend good. What the fuck is happening? Is the camera good? Tell me.
Yeah,
Bro,
yeah,
what
yeah.
am I looking? What is this camera?
It's casting, bro. It's casting.
Casting. You don't see this? He actually took the barrier though. What the fuck?
Bro, where's your face? We need to see the face, bro.
Hell nah, you don't wanna.
It's the VR experience.
Yeah, it's the POV.
I'm looking left. I don't see anything on the left, bro. What is this VR experience? What do you mean?
You wanna
Yeah,
look
nice cabinet, bro.
Why are you looking left? Look forward, bro. Nice.
Bro, I wanna say. Oh wait, look down, bro. Wait. Oh, nice score.
You wanna look down?
Yeah,
Yo, check
bro.
this out.
Yeah, you should do. You should do one.
I should do one. Hold on, bro.
Start for going for a Geo's team 1-1
So, like-
match.
Ah.
What a casting.
Bro, this casting go
The
insane.
match is just so boring. I just know the red team will win, so like, why should I watch it? I can just, hit the gym while I'm here.
Do you have the phone taped to your head or something?
No, it's a camera.
Ah.
Like, it's
Do
an
you have it
actual
taped to
camera.
your head?
I could show you if I had a second one, but like, I don't.
Go to the mirror.
Hell no.
Show yourself.
I am back.
I don't have the terrorist outfit right now, so like, I won't do that.
What? What did I come back to?
I was just, doing some stuff.
A little
Still
pumping
not
session.
unlocked.
Yeah.
What if I
Just,
was called stuff?
waiting for the first set to end because it's actually so fucking boring to watch.
Fucked up.
This
Yeah, let's
casting
do the
is
awakenings
crazy
real
though.
quick. We have 2 sparks available, and both of the players will probably get them. Surely. Yeah, they would. Then they actually got them. Holy shit.
Bro, I think in this game I've never seen a double spark starter ever.
I actually saw that once. It was hilarious.
I've never seen
Like-
it. It actually sounds really funny.
I had to take either Spark of Stagger or Spark of Cooldown, and everyone just went Spark of Cooldown because why not? Why the fuck would you need Stagger?
Spark of Stagger is based. What the fuck do you mean?
Wow.
Oh my god.
Depends. If
Good.
peak performance has a rotation,
Player
then it's pretty good.
And now he scores. Good.
Outplayed.
Get fucking flashbanged.
Bro, we saw your refresh on your monitor. That's insane.
Should make an announcement. Epilepsy warning, like.
But this shit, it's an actual flashbang, bro. I swear to God, it's not even a flashlight. It's a
What is
flashbang.
that contraption? Did Doofenshmirtz make that, bro? Where did you get that?
I don't know. My dad just
It's
brought this
Euro-
in one day, and that's it.
This
I
is
just
the
have it.
lens on.
No, but
lens
what
in
is
a
what is
knife.
the object?
Yo, the cat is here.
This
Yo.
looks like a fish from Subnautica.
True.
Actual amusement, yo, cat.
Wait a second.
Content.
Yo, cat break, cat break.
Cat break. Yeah, guys, stop playing. You
Let's
fucking
go!
monkey. The cat is here, bro.
Cut on the monitor. But him!
This fucking stupid car.
Come on, put him!
And I'm not
Competitive
doing
betting.
that.
Give him belly rubs. Give him a belly rub.
Yeah, go score.
Sniff kisses!
Bro, what is Detail doing though? Can you play better? Like, holy, the one time you lock in, you actually don't play good.
The
My
goat.
bad, my bad.
They actually
Someone asked for Subway Surfers,
Alright.
but the cat is better.
Alright, you guys have
Is
fun.
the cat shitting on your mouse? Like, what's up?
Oh, he's just sitting there.
The cat is so staring.
You
at
know
us.
that picture of a Twitter post with the guy saying, I fucking hate this thing, and then there's just a cat sitting there on the left side of the monitor?
No, but
I swear the cat
this
is
thing
so
is
staring.
better now.
This is the exact same thing. Bro, you fucking.
You're
What
in
is
the
that
way.
Amy doing?
Do not shoo him away.
What is that
What is
Amy
that?
doing?
What is that cat
Which
doing?
one? Bro, what the fuck? Don't eat the fucking cables, you moron. Oh my god. And they almost scored. Surely one day you will do that.
That's how this flashlight looks to me.
Yeah, the fucking car is here.
Yes, I've totally seen that.
Yeah, my bad. It's just too black. Hold on. Now you can probably see it. Yeah.
Cat POV. We need a cat POV.
Hell no, you don't need it.
Put the
So,
camera
like,
on the cat.
Looking back here.
Bro.
Um,
If you actually use that light, you just burn a hole in your screen. Like.
Okay, so
Why
how
did
the
I
fuck
get
did he
pinged?
get perfect form?
What am I supposed with that?
Now my game is lagging too. Wow, cool. Love it. Nice KO. Bruh. I honestly think that red team will win this map, and we would live to see the third map play out. Just saying, because like you see this,
Yikes.
it's not fair, bro. Wow, good defense. Silver is fucking dead. Zykovs too. Bro.
What
I
happened?
looked away for a second. How did everyone die?
Yeah.
Oh, Amy's up, I guess, bro. Like,
Yeah, true.
it's not. This motherfucker just took his own barrier. My bad. Not gonna say
I
what.
honestly want to play that map.
My apologies, Honorable Gangster.
Yo, he got revived by the funny awakening. Yeah, surely you will. Yeah, defend that.
I mean, I was
My
gonna
bad.
say
I thought of him like too much. Should never do that. I fucking love Rune though. He's level 4, but he's winning because he's doing the right thing. Yeah, like see,
that is. Oh.
that is not wasting space with his pillars.
What happened?
That did nothing, by the way. Bro, Asher just striked it like here, and they did not strike it back. So like that's what happened.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Surely you guys will take adrenaline rush. Wow, would be actually fire though. Like for you fucking morons, bro. Oh my god. You fucking moron, bro. Oh my god. What am I looking at?
What the hell? Okay, so like Vice denied
Um,
extra special from his own rune, and Julie did not pick
And
Adrenaline
Julie
Rush
did
on
not
Amy's
take
app.
adrenaline rush. Yeah, we do not need adrenaline rush and Juliet apparently.
yeah, surely.
Yeah.
Like he
Wha-
Yeah,
just
see,
like
see.
would have had
Why,
speed boost.
why would you need? Why would you need a fucking 30% speed boost? Yeah, like, bro, this shit is
Speed
so
boost
ass.
and refund on your cooldown and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah,
And
and 12 seconds cooldown reduction. Yeah, why would you need that? Yeah,
I
what
do.
am I, a pussy? I cannot play. Yeah, surely I need fucking rapid fire on Juliet. Truly one of the moments of all time.
All you need to do is just punch.
True. He's not even gonna dash punch anymore. He's just gonna punch them.
In the
Okay.
balls.
Gonna do a 1-2 combo with just his primaries. Nice on barrier, by the way. Like, and you win! Stop wasting strikes, bro.
So we're gonna be going into game 3 from the looks of it. Then.
This is probably more entertaining, bro. So, like, yeah, exactly like that. Like, compare the thing. It's like, it's the exact fucking same, bro. Okay, so anyway, oh no, one goal away.
Yes.
Look what will happen in 10 seconds. Why
they
is
don't
he gonna
score.
flip this shit? Trust. Like, if the core gets back, Vice is flipping it, and Rune probably scores it. My
Never
bad.
mind.
My bad. Rune is Zykos. My bad. Rune is not by him. Rune is Zykos.
Okay, wait.
What
What?
was that?
Yeah, just
That-
evade and then cancel the evade.
Yeah, that almost worked. Oh,
No,
Huh?
no
good,
way.
good. We are back to map 3. Now we can actually
Yay.
for some gameplay. I wish it did not be fucking MSAP. I just hit the camera, I think. Let's see the chat.
Okay.
Let's see.
Oh my god.
I'm just gonna throw in like yeah, perfect stream. Not gonna show you the stats. Who the fuck needs that? It's a 1-1. I
Who
think.
will win the tournament?
Who won the first match, bro? What are the teams, bro? Hold on.
It was
Seoul.
Twinks.
Okay,
The
the
first
first
match
map.
was Twinks.
The first map was Twinks, and the second map was.
Soul Kittens.
Okay, so it's 1-1.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna write this down. Up for the last map, I guess.
It's best of
Yeah, am I
three,
right?
so
Bro, these fuckers are so retarded, bro.
so we're
Why are
just
they
looking
muted?
at one match more.
Why are they muted?
How else
they're
would they
so-
communicate?
Yeah, in Morse
They need
code,
the
bro.
Morse code, yeah.
Log the fucking mutes. The entire team is muted. Log the fucking. Oh, he's back. He logged out.
I mean, maybe they're using the in-game voice chat.
Why
Surely.
though?
Nah, Morse code.
They're truly Morse code. Why the fuck would they need in-game voice chat? Why the fuck is Skin muted though, bro? Like, I did not summon you, bro.
Summon.
Yo, what's up, guys?
Hello.
Yo.
If I speak
like the
about
matches?
Rune, bro, I will be. Can we ban? Can we like just ban Rune, please? Just make it a Rune.
Bro,
Rune
just
is not
take
a
the
wow.
run as the
Whining
first
and
character.
win,
What
bro.
is your fucking
Nah,
problem,
bro.
bro?
I asked the same about Juno. I got said no.
Juno's not
Juno
as
is
bad as
fine.
Rune.
Juno is fine, bro.
Nah,
Juno is not fine. What are you talking
You should
about?
Juno
play.
is
You should
not
play
fine.
versus a good.
Exactly, bro.
You
Who was
should
that?
play
Who was that?
versus
Let me
a
check your
Rune
hand, bro.
player, bro.
I'll fight you. Juno is worse.
Nah, bro, you
Nah,
lose.
Nice work.
She's
Good.
many
not.
room players.
Rune players is much like 100 times worse than Juno, bro.
Nah.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
Sure.
The thing
Yeah.
is, Juno players usually are so brainless it just works.
Exactly.
Oh yeah, because Rune
Yeah.
players just people on there for that 11 times this game, this fucking run. You cannot score. I love being blinded.
He died.
Then he leaves. GG.
His brain overheated.
Off the server.
The brain damage is real.
Got hit by a rune pillar, I guess, bro. Lost another chromosome.
He got rune banned.
He got
But can they
benched.
start the game, bro? Hold on, bro.
They're still muted.
Wait, why did you go to him? Wait, oh, he left.
He's gone, yeah.
Let us watch your mukbang. What the fuck?
Is he just watching VOD or is it Jover? Oh wait, no, never mind. I'm gonna check up on some teams.
I'm good.
Okay, bad. Going back.
Zykos, I really hope the best for you, man.
For what purpose?
For what purpose?
For what purpose, my good sir?
I'm gonna call upon the one named Travis Scott.
No, I think they popped. Kind of like, just let me finish this. It's not like I can see awakening, so we're not losing anything, right?
Yeah, right.
Okay, bro, what the fuck is this? This is actually bullshit. He went to. It's one here. The
Oh,
fuck?
he got grabbed.
Bro, okay, whatever.
Kicked by mines.
Let's see. I got gapped by a 50-50. Yeah, GG.
Ah, yes, we do love the player.
Oh my god, Amy Sap again. Who would win, them or you?
Why is there no one playing Rasmus here?
I don't know.
Gentleman's agreement.
Could be.
But now, bro, they're
Kinda, what
just.
the fuck?
No, I'm not. I'm not gonna say anything. I'm biased, so like, yeah.
Yeah, the Rune team is losing.
Yeah, I honestly do not think. What the fuck?
How did he steal? What?
How did he? Why is he alive?
Because Rune is not a broken character.
I mean, he probably just said no to dying, but I don't know. Like, what else could have happened?
He has that minus 1000% knockback resistance.
True.
Got the plapping
Does
resistance.
minus knockback resistance give him more knockback?
True. He would be flying through the whole map with one punch. There. Okay, I'll check the camera. Wow. Skane is actually good at the game. Holy shit. He killed him! Yo! But why did he teleport? Okay, whatever. Losing the barrier here. Good trade. Now you're gonna score, right? Right? You're gonna score, right? You're gonna score, right?
The
Right?
KOs.
You're gonna score, right? Yeah, you're gonna. Okay, yeah, they scored, yeah. Good, yeah. Yeah, fucking lose it, bro. Please.
What are you praying for?
He actually got a kill. Wait, is this a Adrenaline Rush start? Oh my god, it is. That's. Why is there not Julie and not Rasmus? Did they ban them, bro? The fuck is happening in this world?
But there were no bans allowed.
Yeah, exactly. That's what, that's what I'm saying. Still, who the fuck takes happening one? And that's a goal, apparently. Okay. My bad. Gonna be right back in like 10 days.
Oh no.
We're getting the cinema.
What? Oh no!
He
What the
died.
fuck is that?
This looks like you walk out to the cinema projector.
Yeah. This is literally the best casting this game has ever seen.
True.
Yo? Lycos died, no way.
KO comp is real.
They won a set. Oh.
Well,
What's the
that's
item on the bottom left?
why
What
Why?
ends
Gotta-
with Y?
gotta love the why.
Um,
Wait, maybe someone picks that and we do know.
Spark of agility.
Yep,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yeah, probably.
I mean, it also ends with ER, so it's probably like. I don't know. Damn. A Russian friend is playing Counter Strike. I've never seen that before.
No way.
There's also a recovery drone.
Oh, yeah. Oh, wait, no, because the Y was the last letter.
Yeah, but recovery drone takes like 2 lines.
But isn't it like in one line?
No. Yeah, no, it's one line, right? Oh.
Wait, by the way, Bibloop, you're here? What?
What did you
Why,
just say?
Am I not supposed to?
No, you can't be here. I just didn't know you were here.
Oh, yeah.
Did you play in the tournament or not?
No.
Okay.
He was surprised to see you.
Which tournament? The Bab?
You're literally watching the final of it right now.
Wait, really?
Yeah.
I'm clueless.
With this
Close.
amazing
The
cast.
third match of finals.
The final match is streamed by fucking GoPro.
That's not a GoPro.
Yeah, that's
You said it.
a camera.
Isn't it his phone?
What?
No, it's I think
Is
a
it-
face
it's a
cam or
real-
something.
Oh, okay. It's a real camera.
Or maybe it's just a normal webcam that
Yeah.
he taped to
Yeah,
himself.
webcam, face cam.
By the way, he has the same monitor as me. I think.
Okay.
Just like I think he has the exact same as me. So retarded.
Can't tell I'm using a TV.
Oh boy. But yeah, Bib, that was a tournoi salad.
Wait, what?
That was a tournoi salad, but fridge.
Oh, okay, okay. I didn't see the announcement.
Yeah, you can get the tournament role in reaction roles if you want.
Okay.
Ooh, okay. Damn.
I love how we cannot see the left side of the fucking match.
Yeah. Oh, the score. I have no clue
It's
what the
still
score is.
64 ping though.
You
I
could
think-
say it's a one-sided match.
Yeah, I just hope that blue team is gonna win so we can see the core.
How are the points right now?
I don't
have
know.
No clue.
I think
Like,
this team has two.
How many
goals, no?
games?
I mean, this is the last game, so we don't. I don't know
It's a
the
last game.
sets. I think it's second set, right?
Wait,
I
Did
think
you-
it's a second.
Yeah.
was it best of 5?
Best of three.
Best of
Best of
three.
three. So it's a
This
first
is
match.
last game.
Best of 5, I would not be recording this.
That would be so long.
What did he die to?
What the hell?
Good question.
Wait, so is it 1-1 now?
No, I think it's 1-0.
In games, yes. In sets, no clue.
Okay.
I suppose it's a second set and it's 2-0 or 2-1.
Wait,
That's
not
wait,
much.
What?
two sets have already been done.
How does that make sense?
No, the second set.
2-0
he's
or
saying is now.
2-1 in the second set?
Oh yeah, that's another set.
Yes.
I think that's set 3.
Yeah, I presume.
So it was probably 2-2.
Okay, we don't know what the bottom left item is. Is this camera moving, by the way?
No.
No, you're
I think we see less, no? Or I'm tripping.
You're
Maybe.
Yeah, I think we're
because
seeing less.
if you look
The
at
name
the
might just be shorter.
both different, you see it's still at the end of the horn. Even
Got
after
picked.
the whole set draft.
Who? Oh, I don't know who picked that item.
Wait, Gerstal is playing?
Mm,
Yeah,
Wait, Gerstal is in Fridge?
Yeah,
I think so.
apparently.
he joined like 1 week ago, I think.
Oh.
Um, Kain is just gapping them.
What do-
Imagine dying to Era ult. Where's the goalie?
And if is the barrier broken is the question. Oh damn, that's a cool
I think it was.
team combo thing.
Wait, was that already the third goal?
It's oh
Yep.
yeah.
Yes.
What? Wait,
So it's
they won twice in a row,
on
and this is
sets.
definitely the third or fourth set. So
Yes,
Not
it's
that it's the fourth, I think.
I think it's 2-1 for the blue team.
Yeah, I think so too.
isn't it 2-2 or
Maybe, but I don't think so.
no 2-1?
We'll find out eventually.
Yeah, eventually. When the Russian comes back from whatever he's doing.
Oh, the ping is increasing. Oh no, it's not.
I mean, it did. 'cause
Maybe it
was
is.
64 the whole time. Oh, it's back
Yeah.
to 64.
Oh, 70,
76.
80.
80. That's like the best thing we can look at the moment because all the action is in the left where we can see nothing. Nice. Damn, blue team is kind of in the groove at the moment.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Skyn
momentum.
is locked in.
Mm-hmm. I don't know if they got a specific awakening that's letting them win or they just locked in. Oh,
That's a good question.
maybe
I don't-
Asher was just not killing. That's the question. Ooh, I see dead people.
Yeah, red team has been dying quite a bit.
Red team? Do you mean blue?
I mean, no, I do mean red. I mean both have some deaths, but I think red is dying a bit more.
I haven't really paid attention all that much. Nice defense from Gio. That's cooked.
Mm.
Bad defense from Gio. No way, he's back. We can finally look at the score, maybe.
Let's go!
2 sets and 2-1, and then 1 goal.
Oh
each.
yeah. No game.
Hello, Vahir.
Huh?
Oh,
No
What?
way.
Why'd you look away?
Ba-dum, ba-dum.
What even happened?
How is it possible? Can you show us the awakenings real quick?
Oh yeah, true.
Wahir.
Yeah,
Um,
it's
oh yeah,
Adrush.
they are kill comp.
Ooh, yeah.
Device is kind of crazy.
Definitely. Holy.
And X.
Hala, mala.
And
And Era
and
has
yes.
maximum size on her holo purple.
Yeah, that's big.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh my god, the Ashen is dead. She got obliterated. Oh my god, the rune is locking in. Oh my god, he wasted all his abilities. This is so close.
Oh my
They
god.
did rip
And
through.
that is
Oh.
the final goal.
Let's
That
go!
is the final goal. That is
Perfect
crazy.
ending.
Crazy.
I think Soul is
I'm
molding.
gonna interview them real quick. Hold up.
Like it.
Oh,
So,
this is so sad. This is so sad. This is so sad.
GG's guys.
GG.
Jeez.
I was recording the stream. Can I have a final words from you guys or no?
It was a fun match, not gonna lie. It was a really fun match.
Okay.
Wrong channel. I think we
Wrong
better-
Skyn and Silver, I want a final word from you guys. How was the
Yeah.
Oh,
Amazing!
They can suck my dick.
I'm just gonna end the recording and start the process.